Is the maintenance, clutter, and overall emptiness of your super big empty house stressing you out? Well, it's time to de-stress by downsizing. Downsizing. If you've been in your house for any extended amount of time, that can actually bring up quite a bit of stress. But I'm here to argue that pushing through that stress and getting to the other side of a smaller, more manageable home is actually going to take that stress away. Think about it. If you can reduce the maintenance that you have on your home, you're gonna free up so much valuable time. If you're spending hours upon hours maintaining a large yard, power washing sidewalks and driveways, cleaning rooms that aren't even used, that is valuable time you could spend volunteering, reading a book, spending time with friends or family, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. And while cleaning can sometimes be a stress reliever, I'm here to argue that if you're spending a lot of your time cleaning a massive house or rooms that aren't even used, you're wasting your time. And there's something really freeing about letting stuff go. The decluttering process that happens with downsizing is very freeing. I've had many customers say that it feels like a weight's been lifted off of their shoulders as you start to take things that have been in your house for a long time and find them a new happy home. Whether that's through an estate sale or donations, it's really nice to pay it forward and let other people enjoy things that, quite frankly, you may not even be using anymore. And coming home to a big empty house can sometimes feel heavy or lonely. If you're able to downsize into something a little bit cozier or welcoming, you might find that each day feels a little bit better. A big house that requires maintenance and has a ton of clutter and more space than you need, you may not even be realizing it, but I'm willing to bet it's causing a lot of stress. It's time to de-stress, it's time to downsize, and it's time to move into that next phase. Create the space for the life that you want to be living. Let go of the things that are holding you down and move into this next chapter with excitement and grace. Once you've come to the realization that downsizing is the right move, don't panic, because the first thing people do is go, "Oh, my house is nowhere near ready to sell." That's where we come in. Don't miss my next video that talks about how your house is probably much closer to list ready than you think. I'm Lindsey Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.